I don't know, I started realizing from the first one's wedding that whenever an auntie came to me, or a group of aunties and all, and they get like excited and all, so the first thing they say to me, the first thing a random person says to me is,
Yeah.
तो real life में तो बहुत पतली है. How do you react to that? What do you say? So I'm just like,
मेरे को ये कभी क्वेश्चन आया नहीं है क्योंकि मैं कभी हुआ नहीं तो
अंदर तो दिमाग मतलब I'm boiling because I want to reply to it like what
so
did
that's
you
the
think?
first thing you ever say. First thing. That's the first thing that comes, isn't it?
मतलब कोई जान ना पहचान, I don't know this auntie, never seen her face. First thing she said, अरे real life में तो बड़ी पतली हो तुम, ऐसे कैसे? हाँ? I'm just like,
okay.
Yeah.
Another question, okay? So while the on the road to your fame, okay? कि मतलब now people have started recognizing कि oh Sonakshi Sinha, oh yeah Sonakshi Sinha. So ऐसा हुआ जैसे I'll tell you about my story when people started knowing me कि when I'm walking around people started knowing me. So my mom started getting more excited than me. And my mom was like कि अरे उसके साथ फोटो ले उसके साथ. He doesn't want to take a picture with me. ऐसा कभी हुआ है आपके साथ? कि your mom is super excited but you are not. I don't know why am I going. He has to come. She has to come.
No, for me it took a little bit of time to get used to it actually because I'm a very low key person. So I, in general, also don't like too much attention on me.
Okay.
I mean, I'm in the wrong field. That's the case.
Honestly.
But
So
this was after Dabang released, and my best friend, who I was talking about, whose wedding I went for, Vidhi, she had gone to a match in Wankhede Stadium, and some argument or something was happening with people around her, and some girl said something to another girl that what do you think you are, your bloody Sonakshi Sinha, what, they'll call you in the VIP box to make you sit and all. So she got so excited कि किसी और ने मेरा नाम लिया. Like, dude, that girl told her you think you're Sonakshi Sinha. Like, calm down, Shant Pooja.
So that really happens with me because when I it was my mom's birthday and I really wanted कि some कोई ऐसा fan आए कि मम्मी खुश हो जाए कि मतलब वो मेरा बेटा अच्छा कर रहा है ऐसा कुछ करके. So it was my mom. So there's this two young ऐसे छोटे छोटे लड़के लड़की आए और मुझे बोले थे अरे विराज बिग फैन. मतलब ए इधर आ मम्मी के सामने बोल, इधर आ मम्मी के सामने बोल. तो ऐसा वो कर रहा था and he came and my mom started yelling at them. My mom said इसको फॉलो करते हो तुम लोग, इसको. I said word, अरे ये नाता नहीं है, इसको समझाओ कुछ, आप लोग को कोई अक्कल नहीं है. And my mom's typical Gujarati auntie, okay? Like इसको, dude, she's damn fun, okay?
She sounds too cool.
And she's telling her कि इसको हेलमेट पहनने को नहीं आता है, ये बराबर बैट्स नहीं लगाता गाड़ी चलाते, तो इसको फॉलो करते हो. And this now, okay, take a picture now, come on, fast, do it fast. And my mom was a teacher, okay? And I suck at studies. And they were like yelling proper and they ran away. So मेरा सपना था, it was my mom's birthday and they ran away. अरे मॉम नहीं हो पाएगा ये वाला तो. Okay, third question. Yeah, for sure I'll let you meet.
Yeah.
Third question. कभी रास्ते से आप जा रहे हो ऐसे, you're driving or something like that, and आप देखते हो राइट में कि oh shit, वड़ा पाव तो बड़ा सही लग रहा है वहाँ पे, तो कहते उतर के खा के आए क्या?
वड़ा पाव का सेल
सही लग रहा है मतलब कि कचौरी तो यार क्या बड़ा.
हेलो, I was in NM college, या तो वहाँ पे हर रोज
not now, तभी नहीं अभी की बात कर रहा हूँ.
अभी I can't remember the last time I did it, but I've stopped the car, but मैं खुद उतरी नहीं हूँ. मैंने मंगवाया है गाड़ी के अंदर खाने के लिए. तो जैसे I love cheese dosa, okay? So
next time whenever we shoot,
huh?
Of course, yeah. Next time whenever we shoot, you are getting a cheese dosa.
Yeah, done. So outside Miti Bhai, they used to have all these dosa stalls and all. So sometimes when I'm passing by after work or something, I'll stop my car and I'll tell my driver to get it for me in the car and I'll eat it there.
Wow.
Okay. I love street food.
I'll tell you. Okay, one more thing. Fourth question. कोई stupid fan theory क्या? Stupid fan meet है? Stupid मतलब कि very weird position में लो यार. I'm with a friend. I can't meet you. ऐसा कुछ fan हुआ था ऐसे मतलब? Like
ऐसा हुआ था not with. I was sitting doing interviews. With you know how we have those group interviews, so सब आके they put their phones on the table and they start taking your interviews. I was sitting in a group interview with very senior journalists, you know, जो हमारे regional newspapers के हैं. तो and suddenly this girl walked up to me and she was like, "Hi, how are you?" And she came up to me जैसे वो मुझे जानती हो. तो मेरे दिमाग में होगा कि do I know her? Do I not know? Is she a fan or is she someone I know and I forgot it? And मेरी memory
Yeah.
is like amazing. Like I don't forget a name, I don't forget a face. So she looked a little bit familiar. So I was like, oh God, do I know this person? So she started talking to me और ये सब बैठ के हम दोनों का conversation सुन रहे. She's like, how's it going? How's your manager Malvika? And I was like, good. So मैंने तब सोचा कि पक्का ये तो जानती है मेरे को. So I started talking to her like I would talk to someone I know. Then end May she tells me, I'm a really big fan. Can I please get a picture with you? And I look at her, I'm like, I'm in the middle of like a ring of journalists who are waiting to take my interview and you're doing time pass with me over here.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, so then I eventually took that picture and sent her off very nicely. But it was really funny later on. Me and my manager were laughing about it so much because she saw me talking to her and she was like, I thought you knew her. So that's why I didn't stop her, come and take her away also.
So, you know, whenever I meet a fan, no, whenever I meet a fan, I'm in a very random, weird lifestyle. Let's say, लोग एकदम गंदा life होता है वो रहता है. For example, I was riding my bike, okay, and मेरा bike का stand टूट गया. और अभी मेरा stand टूट गया और पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया. This is very initially, okay. And मैं ड्रैग कर रहा हूँ, मेरा बाइक को ड्रैग करे जा रहा हूँ, स्टैंड वैंड नहीं है, वहाँ पे दो फैन आते बोलते कि I'm a big fan. I said thank you so much, but I said can I take a picture? I said right now you want to take a picture? So मेरा बाइक का स्टैंड नहीं है तो मेरे को बाइक को रास्ते में सुलाना पड़ा. And they were judging me कि फिल्टर कॉपी में तो बड़ा अच्छा है ये, यहाँ पे बाइक पे चला रहा है.
और एक और होता है हमेशा when you're at a restaurant, ऐसे मतलब मुंह में खाना डालने वाले होते हो और like can we get a picture?
That is still okay because they're asking. There was this person who came and told me कि you take the picture.
Yeah, that happens with me all the time. अरे आपको तो सेल्फी क्वीन बुलाते हो, प्लीज फोटो ले लो ना, प्लीज आप अच्छी फोटो खींचते हो, आप अच्छी सेल्फी खींचते हो, आप ले लो ना प्लीज. And there's so many times that they don't know how to like operate it, or you know they're feeling nervous and all. So there's been times where aunties आती हैं, उनको कैमरा नहीं मिल रहा, I was like, दे दो आंटी फोन. I take their phone, I open it, I take a picture for them and I say bye bye, thank you.
You know, there's another one story when there was this. So youngsters follow us a lot, youngsters, okay. So and parents ज़्यादा पता नहीं कि क्या होता है क्या नहीं. So there's this हम लोग ना मेरा गाड़ी किसी से थोड़ा क्रैश हो गया, ठीक है. तो उतर के क्या कौन है ऐसा करके देख रहा था वो. एंड फिर उसको बोला अरे विराज फिल्टर कॉपी, और उसकी मॉम डिडंट नो मी. अरे कुछ भी हो कौन है, they started fighting. अरे विराज ये नहीं ये कौन कुछ भी है ऐसा कर.
See, ऐसी चीजें और होनी चाहिए because then even the older generation will get to know you.
I can see halo behind you. Yeah, I can see halo behind you.
और गाड़ी ठोको.
बाबा सोनाक्षी कुछ बोल रहे हैं. Okay, last question of this lot. So when you be shooting a lot, you be shooting with a lot of actors and a lot of actresses and all. So ऐसा होता है कि कभी कोई एक्टर आके आपको बताए ये बहुत फनी जोक है, but आपको फनी नहीं लगता है ये, and then you have to laugh. ऐसे मतलब कि हाँ बहुत फनी था.
नहीं, मुझे फनी नहीं लगता तो मैं नहीं हंसती हूँ.
You're direct on your face.
Yeah, I don't give people false hope. I'm sorry. मैं ऐसे बहुत वो मैं बोल दूंगी ऐसा जोक था. Not funny.
मतलब कुछ भी हो, like even a senior actor comes and tells you कि you'll be like this कि मतलब funny नहीं था, कुछ भी बोल रहा है.
I mean, if you're working with a person, तो obviously like
for example,
एक rapport होती है.
Okay, not jokes. कहो आगे कि कैसा लगा acting and you find it very touchy कि मतलब
acting.
Yeah.
नहीं फिर मैं झूठ बोलती हूँ. एक्टिंग की वजह से नहीं बोल सकते यार, जोक हो गए तब तक चलता है. एक्टिंग की वजह से लोगों को बहुत बुरा लगता है लाइफ में
कि मतलब यार शिट क्या हो गया यार.
हाँ, very nice.
Okay, moving on to our third segment. It's called improv.
Okay.
Are you ready for improv comedy?
I'm not sure because I think I'm okay, let's see. I won't say anything now.
So I'll give you a situation. And वो situation है कि you are in mad love with me, like you want to, okay, see मेरा पास एक ही opportunity था ना, तो मैंने तो use करना है. So okay, and you only have 4 words, the choice of words.
हाँ.
ठीक है, and I have 2.
Okay.
So now you have to ask me out. ठीक है,
Okay.
like you are like madly in love and you want to ask me out for like only 4 words. For example, I love you, मतलब ऐसा क्वेश्चन, ऐसा मतलब इट्स वेरी रैंडम. यू हैव टू बी improvise. खाली 4 words में बोलना, but you have to tell your story in that 4 words.
And I have to ask you out.
Yeah, like you have to tell me how do you feel about it, and like do I have a girlfriend or something like that.
In
Let's
4
try.
words.
Yeah, that's the improv comedy. 4 word में करना है आपको. You want to try? I have another thing also. Let's try this.
Okay. Okay. Give me an option.
Option. You have to choose your options. Options is
Okay.
4
Okay.
words.
Okay. Say.
Any 4 words.
Okay. The conversation, I have to say
Yeah.
4 words and you have to say. Okay.
Yeah.
Why not me, baby?
I like. Oh, fuck, मैं तो 2 खत्म हो गया.
You like, I like.
You sure?
Not in the slightest.
Okay, but
I don't know what.
okay.
I don't know why.
Why me?
I don't know why.
Okay, let's end this here because I have something else.
Wait,
also.
I have 4 more words.
Okay, continue.
दिमाग काम नहीं किया. पागल हो गई थी.
I like. Lucky me.
Okay, now we end it.
अरे यार, I was about to get married. Shit. Okay, so now there's this another improv which is based on your very famous dialogue. Okay, very famous dialogue.
Which one? I wonder which one.
अरे वो मिशन मंगल वाला.
It's impossible.
Okay, so I'll ask the crowd now to send us suggestions for any Indian accent or Indian language. Maybe it can be Marathi, it can be Hindi, whatever it is. Okay. And you have to say that थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है, in that language.
Okay. In that language, I'll try. But like.
Yeah, obviously. Okay. So now I want people to tell me suggestions कि मतलब कौन से language में बात कर सकते हैं.
Okay, guys, suggest like some accents that I can speak in. This should be fun.
Yeah. Bengali. So I really want you to say in Marathi if you know Marathi.
No, I don't speak it, but I understand.
It's okay. Whatever you like. For example, मेरा Marathi इतना है कि मैं पुलिस से बच सकता हूँ.
हाँ.
इतना Marathi मेरा.
No, like I can't say the dialogue in Marathi. I'll say it in Hindi only, but in like different accents. So like somebody said Tamil. Oh yeah. थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है.
Okay, now like can you do a Marathi accent?
Marathi accent.
You don't know little bit Marathi also. This way you can properly do it.
I know कसा भरा है, little like all that, but not like I can't speak fluently in it.
It's okay, fumble, it's fine. यहाँ पे कौन जज कर रहा है? ये तो buddies ना, उधारी बाकी अपना.
What is थप्पड़ called in Marathi?
चमाट. और डर को बोलते हैं भीति.
चमाटला भीति नहीं लगते साहेब. What is प्यार?
प्यार can be प्रेम also.
प्रेम मत लगते. They're going to kill me.
Okay, last one, Bhojpuri. Same dialogue, no accent. Bhojpuri language में.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लागत साहब, प्यार से लागत है.
Wow! Very good. Okay. So now moving on to our last segment of this. I know you
Hey,
don't
let's
want this
talk
to.
to the audience. There's so many comments are coming
Yeah.
or
This is
not.
about
I'm
them
not
only. This is
looking at
about
it
them
only
only.
because I'm talking to you.
Because I'm damn interesting. I know I'm damn interesting. But okay, this is about them only now. So
Okay,
now
fact.
we have to now people will give you answers.
Okay.
So you have to choose answers and then you have to make a question of this. कि मतलब ये इसका question क्या होगा? So we'll select
Oh,
answers from people. Okay. So I'll throw some answers to you.
never done this before. Okay, fine.
And it can be very random. Okay, very random.
Prepared. MK.
Make something. I don't, that's very random.
MK. What is MK?
You can do much better, Sonakshi.
No, I'm thinking. I'm talking to myself.
Okay, talk. This is too loud. No, मेरे को सुनाई दिया था.
This is not even like an answer. Give me an answer. These are just like letters. MK.
Okay, chalo, I'll do that. Okay. Think about it. I'll give you another one.
Okay. Hi guys. Hi everyone.
Can you do this?
अगर SSS सोनाक्षी के इनिशियल्स है तो करीना कपूर खान के इनिशियल्स क्या होंगे?
Wow!
Equation.
What a player!
Tough question. Difficult to solve.
Okay, one more. You
Hi,
can read the
guys.
comments as well. Comments में कुछ आ रहा है.
Yeah, I'm reading. Everyone's just saying hi. Somebody called me Rasgulla. Thanks, guys.
Someone has commented मेरा divorce हो गया.
Quarantine cheeks.
Someone has commented मेरा divorce हो गया.
Oh God, I'm really sorry, dude.
I mean, this is not the place, no, to tell you.
Yeah.
Wait, this is very random. Okay, don't. ये वो अपने आप select हुआ है. मैंने नहीं select
अच्छा,
किया.
this is random. MK is not random. At least this is a word.
Okay. There's this very desperate person. I don't know what.
Hi.
Okay, now you have to question this. You can't say like what are you high on or something like that.
I can what?
You can't say what are you high on because this is
But that's a good one. If somebody send me like this,
I am a bhandar of good ones.
Okay. When Viraj cracks bad jokes, what do people say?
Take second.
Hi.
पता नहीं है हमेशा मेरी लगती है every
You asked for it. Okay, next.
आया क्या?
च्यवनप्राश. अगर वो क्या चीज है जिसे रोज खाने से सेहत बनती है?
ये तो बहुत फैक्चुअल हो गया ना.
अब कुछ तो था ना.
Okay, last one and then I'll ask you very random question. Tell me what is this behind? There's a lot of questions about why Asli?
Why Asli? Because I'm real, bro. I keep it real. No, but seriously, I'll tell you why. Because when I joined Instagram, Sonakshi Sinha was taken by someone. So I was looking for like so I was looking for some name to keep and all, and like because my name is Sona, right? So Asli just like fits really nicely. I was like Asli Sona, pure gold. Yeah, that's why I kept it. And then it just stuck. Like people started calling me Asli and all. So I was like, cool, yeah, this is nice. I like it.
अच्छा है आपका सरनेम पूरा दिन नहीं था, वरना तो कितना सही होता. सोना पूरा दिन.
Sona पूरा दिन.
Okay, last question.
Then I would be. Then my username would be Alsi Sona.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Last thing.
I'm sorry. What happens when you forget grammar? Am I sorry?
Coffee mean. It's okay.
How? Okay. What else could I have said to that?
I don't know.
You say na, you tell.
I'm the worst in English. My mom's a teacher. She hates me.
You only wrote that. Nah, I know it. You only wrote it ना. तूने लिखा था. मुझे पता है.
Tell me about your NM story जहाँ पे आपने मैथ्स में बहुत ज्यादा fuck up किया. कभी ऐसा हुआ है मैथ्स में मतलब ज्यादा embarrassment? Have you ever embarrassed yourself?
Yeah, very much. So I'm very good, like in other subjects, and also my parents never had to really push me to study, and also I used to do all my work. I was very responsible, good student. I would say quite above average, except in maths. So I was very confident after one test, and because I felt like I got everything right when we were discussing and this and that. So when the result, we used to have these 25 marks tests in the middle.
Unit test, yeah.
Yeah. So उसके पेपर वापस आए, and I was very excited. I was चल इस बार तो at least से ऊपर आएंगे मेरे marks. I got the lowest in the class, 1.5 on 25. I was so embarrassed. I was like, मैं घर कैसे जाऊंगी? Because never like had my parents had any like problem with my studies or like me being responsible with my homework or anything. First time in my life I got 1.5. I was like, oh god, like जैसे कोई बम फट गया मेरे पे. I was very embarrassed. I was like, इतना बुरा कैसे? कैसे हो सकता है?
My very weird math story is that when you have 100 upon 10, what do you do?
100 upon 10, what do? You cross the zeros, na?
Yeah. So you know what happened to me? So it was 515 upon 15. You know what did I do?
What?
515.
515 upon 15. You crossed the 15.
मैंने 5 cut कर दिया. And my professor comes and looks like, wow, और कर. And I was like, fuck, मैं बहुत सही कर रहा हूँ मैं. He said, तो मैंने 1 और 1 पे cut कर दिया. मैंने बोला answer 5.
Maths was like my nightmare in school.
Maths a threat, yeah, I know. Okay, with that note, we end this live. I know you don't want this. वो मैंने लिखा था.
See, I'm teaching you good things, yeah.
वो मैंने लिखा था. I'm sorry.
I knew it. मुझे पता था.
Okay, on that note, I know it's very difficult to let me go off essay, but
very. By mistake अगर ये button दब जाए ना, don't
mind. Just letting you know. Till the time, if you have anything to say to the crowd about anything, we can talk to crowd for some time. I
just want to say thank you guys for tuning in, and I know we're going through a very tough time right now. घर पे सब बैठ के बोर हो रहे होंगे, but we're all in this together. Don't worry, जो आपका होना है सबका होना है, and stay strong, stay positive as much, not positive.
Got it.
Have a positive mindset, okay, and just stay strong.
Oh, okay.
And thank you guys for tuning in.
And there's a very weird request. So now, as you know that, as we know that you love memes and you love sharing those memes.
Yeah.
So now you have to give us an idea. Not now, sometime later, whenever we talk. Give us an idea, and we'll make that meme. Just like कि मतलब this is Sonakshi Sinha's idea meme. So.
Fab. Okay.
So whenever you come across any idea कि मतलब fuck ये तो filter copy को बोल देते हैं meme बनाना चाहिए. So we'll make that meme.
There's so many memes you can make out of that Noor का video that I had done with you guys. मतलब मेरे सारे expressions उस एक वीडियो में खत्म हो चुके थे.
बहुत सारा
आप कोई भी उठा के आप कोई भी मीम बना सकते हो उस पे.
Done. वो तो हम लोग कर ही लेंगे. But in general, if you have any idea कि मतलब fuck ये memes और filter copy को बोलना चाहिए करने के लिए, so we'll do that.
I'll tell you.
चलो done है. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for doing this for us.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Always fun talking to you.
See you.